Hey, hey class. I'm going to be building a geodesic dome today, and the first thing I need to do is I need to cut some sticks, and I've got these shish kabob skewers here. I optimized the length to do like 2 sticks per shish kebab skewer. So we need 2 lengths, so I made it so that we could do a short and a long out of each stick because we need even numbers of each. I think we need a total of 30 of each. Anyway, let's see if we... So what I did is I cut these straws to be the right length. So there's one short and one long. And I'm just going to cut the long ones now. So I just did this as a jig so I didn't have to measure each time. It just seemed like, well, that's going to be a problem if they fly away. But let's see how long this takes. Now for the other size. Careful not to take an eye out. All right, I think that's a couple extra. Make sure I got all the same size here. Looks good. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to color these because I want to keep them like separate, like the long ones and the short ones. So that's the next step. Okay, admittedly, this part is pretty crazy. I'm going to make these 5 panels. And I have it sort of lined out here. I'm going to use these adhesive dots to tape them together. So, see how this goes. That's one panel. I think I'm missing a piece up here though. Oh yeah, it rolled over. Okay, we'll see. Yeah, I had this technique last time where I put something on top. Like, just because I wanted it to be kind of neat, and I suppose that will help flatten it out. And maybe help embed the glue in the ends. Not really sure this is the best thing, but maybe just like globbed up would be fine, but we'll see how this works. Okay, there's one panel. I'm thinking I'll just leave the dots on for a little while because I need to make 5 of those. Phew. Now I have to get the edges close to each other, so all the like edges that are going to glue onto something, I'm just going to trim so that so they're not like sticking out. All right, continuing on, we're putting all of these pieces together. Exactly how this goes, well, I have my 5 pieces that are the same here. This is the bottom then, and all the Pac-Mans kind of open in rotational symmetry around here like this. All right, so far we've been sitting here working in flatland. Now we're going to have to start putting it together, and it's going to take shape. So we're going to just basically tile the vertices together, and so then we're going to make our dome, and then we can glue the rest. All right, just making the top piece. It's just one of those pentagon things right here. So I'm just going to do all but one vertex when it's flat. And then we'll put the last vertex on. Lo and behold, I'm out of glue again. Takes a lot of glue. All right, I guess this is where I try out that new technique, is just fusing them together. Try not to overheat because you don't want the whole vertex coming apart. All right, there you go. I guess the last step would be, decorating it with paper, but I'm not going to do that today. Well, okay, geometry students, there you go. The geodesic dome out of shish kebab skewers is complete. See you next time.